Hey everybody, Donna from Tarot Tarot. I'm just gonna do a quick update. If anybody is running a YouTube channel and you're having upload problems or dog problems, come on now. Here, this is what's making all the noise. All right, so if you're having upload problems, I just played around with the different settings. I tried recording in 4K. It's 3840 by 2160. And I had it at 60 frames per second, and I had it on Filmic Extreme. So the file size, I think, was like 23 gigs or something, like 22 gigs and some change. Taking forever to upload. I went up to my cousin's yesterday, 1 week after Easter, and used their high speed, and finally got it to load. But right now, if I look at the Gemini read, that was the Taurus read. If I look at the Gemini read, it says 166 hours. If I stare at it, it'll drop down to like 4 hours to 8 hours. It's forever. So I played around doing 25-second segments. If you want to use this information to help you, so at 720p, 25 seconds, 24 frames per second only takes up 33.2 megabits. Or is that right? Whatever. I think that's what it is. And then, yeah, megabits. Oh, God, I've got pets everywhere. All right, so 720p, 60 frames per second is 57.6 megabits. 4K with Apple Standard and 60 frames per second. By the way, there's others where Apple Standard is 262.1 megabits. He's about to knock something down. And then 4K at 60 frames per second. Filmic Extreme is 392.8 megabits, which will take forever to upload because that ends up being like, I don't even remember, like some crazy amount of, if you could just, basically that's for 25 seconds, so you can do the math. But 392.8 for 25 seconds, you times it by 4, and then you times it by, what was it? I think it was 23 minutes is how long the video was. It was just crazy long. So I would recommend doing 720p, 24 frames per second on Apple Standard personally. And it'll upload way faster. So this is a 2-minute video, and we're going to see how long this takes.